Here on the channel, we've been running the Mcleod RXT 1200 HD for a number of years now. And if you follow the channel, you know we run the same clutch in our white turbo Fox body that we do a lot of no prep stick shift racing with. Our black turbo Fox body used to have the 363 stroker in it that made about 800 wheel horsepower, just under 1,000 torque. And what we're gonna do today is I'm gonna actually show you what the clutch looks like after about 3 years. So you can get this Mcleod RXT HD 1200 in a box. It's a shelf clutch, it's a diaphragm clutch, it's a twin disc, and it's definitely rated at the numbers that you see here in my black car. And this is actually a rebuilt unit that we've sent back probably twice now. And this is after about 3 years and probably 8 or 10,000 street miles. You can get these clutches for about 1,000, 1,200 bucks or so. You can see the wear on it, but I mean, it looks in really good condition. So here's the floater plate. Now again, this was behind a 363 stroker. Like I said, about 8,000 street miles. Here's the bottom disc. Got a little more wear on it than normal. We're just gonna reinstall this. It's perfectly fine. Look at that flywheel, clean. We're just gonna reinstall it. Not too bad after 3 years behind a 363 stroker with a turbo on it. 3,500 pound car as well. So definitely when I tell you guys that you know, I'm not here just to try to sell you this, but we made a similar video with our white turbo Fox body when we took the clutch out of the 408 stroker, when it had been in there for like 3.5 years and had like 150 track passes on it. So, and I'm gonna be honest with you guys, we beat it out of these clutches, and I definitely wouldn't be here showing you if I didn't think that this product was would fit pretty. But yeah, that's all I pretty much got for you for this little short video. I just wanted to show you what the clutch looked like before we actually put it back here in the black turbo Fox body, as that clutch has been in front of our TKX for a number of years, and we've put a lot of power to this TKX as well. And with those type of power numbers that we've put in both of these cars, you can see now why we talk about the TKX so much and talk about how good the Mcleod RXT twin is and run them in our cars. So